don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah. I'm begging you. Put your love in the hand now, baby.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the 5 Subs channel. Today we are here to bring you the exciting news about match day 3 of Euro 2020. We have a long list of matches for discussion lined up, and in the end, do stay tuned for our exclusive discussion about on the round of 16 round matches.
सो ठीक है, थोड़ा गैप दे देते हैं ताकि वो कट कर सके यहाँ पे appropriately.
बाप रे, इतना भाई 38 व्यूज के लिए इतना करना जरूरी है क्या? बोलते हैं व्यू करते नहीं हो तुम लोग, व्यू करो, लाइक करो, करो।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, व्यू कर लो।
हेलो फ्रेंड,
करते
क्या
हैं,
करना
आज यही
पड़ेगा
करते
अभी? हाँ,
एनी
यही करेंगे।
सो
लाइक कर, समझा? ओके सतीश, सॉरी, कंटिन्यू।
तुम्हें कितनी बार बोले हैं लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, बट नहीं।
नहीं करोगे तो है नहीं।
इंस्टाग्राम पे जाके रील्स देखना है।
लाइक शेयर कर रहे हो या बेल्ट लाऊं?
बेल्ट।
हाँ चलो,
वाह बेटे, मौज कर दी।
अरे यार
रुको जरा, सबर करो।
14 मिनट बाकी है, शुरू करो।
3, 2, 1.
Stages. It was a tantalizing finish at the end, and starting from Group A, Abhipray, could you take us through?
So in Group A, we had last two matches, which happened to be not pretty exciting affair. We had Italy take on Wales and Switzerland take on Turkey. So in Italy versus Wales, मैंने देखा पसीना ने काफी पसीना बहाया है वेल्स का, and Italy continued their winning streak. They are actually undefeated in a very long time. Coming to the second match, Switzerland versus Turkey, we saw a brace from Xherdan Shaqiri. Finally, it's very good to see him score. And on the other hand, we also saw Zuber getting a hat trick of assists. A hat trick of assists. Remember the last time we saw someone do that in a club or country game? That's a commendable feat. So from this group, we have seen Italy and Wales go through to the next round, whereas Switzerland have slightly nicked their way into the third via their third place finish into the next round. So back to you, Saurabh.
All right, in Group B, guys, it was a fantastic two games that were lined up. Everything to play for. Denmark had a fantastic end to this group stages. They won 4-1 convincingly against Russia. They started off with 2 goals in the beginning, where Russia pulled one back, but then Andres Christensen coming in and scoring the third goal. On the other side, we had a very easy affair for Belgium while they played against Finland, and it was obviously the man of the moment, Kevin De Bruyne, who went back with the man of the match performance there. Over to you, Rahul. Please take us through Group C.
Okay, so in Group C, we had 2 games played on Sunday night, starting with North Macedonia facing Netherlands. Netherlands, clearly the stronger opponent, won the game very easily, where we had a brace from Wijnaldum scoring 2 goals, and Memphis Depay, who had a good Euro so far, had another goal. So we all of us expected Netherlands to do well, and they ended the table as the table toppers. Now there was this another game between Ukraine and Austria, and it was do and die for Ukraine, and they didn't come out as the winners. Austria won the game. Alaba and company, like it was not a very interesting game, but Alaba and company did manage to get all the 3 points. Ukraine did lose the game, but due to slight, like they managed to qualify into the round of 16 with slight luck. Whereas in Group D, it was very exciting. Soham, could you please walk us through what all happened in Group D?
Well, exciting and Group D don't go side by side, because Group D, also known as Group of Dadajis. So the 2 games were played on 23rd. First game, England versus Czech Republic. England, भाई मैं क्यों देखता हूँ इनका मैच है? Why do I support? पूरे टूर्नामेंट में they have 3 matches only, but they have scored 2 goals and they are on top of the table. And as a punishment, they are playing the team we all know in round of 16. So Sterling scored the only goal in the 12th minute, and a very boring game. Not very much chances for any of the side. Croatia versus Scotland, on the other hand, was a good game. Croatia scored in 17th minute and Scotland equalized at 42nd minute, which made the match very interesting. But again, Croatia came out stronger with Modric and Perisic both scoring 2 goals and Croatia winning 3-1. But Czech Republic, who has also qualified as of one of the 4 top 3 teams, so they have qualified with 4 points, and 3 of the 4 teams from Group B have moved on to round of 16. So, what all is happening in Group E, Satish?
Group E, I think, was very crazy, considering that F is the all glamour group, but Group E has proved to be really worth the time that I have spent watching them. I was anyways going to watch Spain, but the other teams have also provided their share of entertainment. So the first match, it was between the Sweden and Poland, which happened like day before. So it was a crazy game. We saw the best of Lewandowski in this match. What a goal, man! क्या मारा है वो side से. The way he curled the ball, the goalkeeper had no chance. It was a great game. Forsberg also a fantastic finish, like both the goals. He did really well. Or last May it was the heartbreaker, last May Sweden won the match and won the group as well. And there was another match between Spain and Slovakia, and Spain scored 5 goals. Some of them were bundled in, but it would come as a huge relief for Spain. Bach gaye. It was that kind of a feeling. Sergio Busquets was back in the team for them. Morata, the usual suspect, missing a penalty. So अच्छे दिन उसके तो नहीं आ रहे हैं वापस, ऐसा लग रहा है. बट लकीली स्पेन आगे जा रही है, ओन गोल भी हुए, एंड बहुत सुंदर फिनिश फरहान टोरेस से. Honestly, like anyone could have gone through in this group. I would not have felt bad even if Poland would have gone through. So it was a nice group. It did not have the billing to begin with, but it ended on a very exciting note. So talking about the big guns, excitement, and ending the group stage on a high, like क्या बोलते हो भाई लोग, group F में अच्छे matches हुए.
Please, let's not call it group F, call it group फाड़. भाई ये बहुत फाड़ group.
Okay.
Let's call it group फाड़. ये तो बहुत
This
फाड़
was the
group है.
WrestleMania. This was the WrestleMania.
And especially knowing that Hungary started with 1-0 win, I mean in the first 15 minutes, and you are just wondering is there a possibility that probably Germany might actually get out of the group as 4th? And let us take Rahul's opinion first. He had
Before
a seesaw
that,
of an affair. Yes, Satish.
No, even myself and Soham had a seesaw affair because we didn't know who we were playing. So that was also, something that
Yes.
kept us
Total
interested.
number of, I don't think the total number of goals scored by all the teams in Group B are even 5. That is like scored by Spain in one match. So
Garib group.
Garib group, bhai. Anyway, so yeah, Rahul, what are your thoughts?
हाँ, तो ये ग्रुप इतना एक्साइटिंग था ना कि जब हंगरी ने गोल मारा और पोर्चुगल से रोनाल्डो ने गोल मारा, देयर वाज अ टाइम कि फ्रांस के चांसेस थे कि वो एलिमिनेट हो जाएंगे. तो इतना टर्न्स एंड ट्विस्ट था इस गेम में, स्पेशली जर्मनी लास्ट.
फ्रांस भी एलिमिनेट हो सकता था क्या? Was it possible?
फ्रांस थर्ड हो जाता.
थर्ड होता.
नहीं.
एलिमिनेशन का पॉसिबल
जब हंगरी जीत रही थी,
फ्रांस had one win ना.
नहीं, हंगरी जीत रही थी, और ये अगर पोर्चुगल जीत रही होती तो फ्रांस वुड हैव बीन आउट. फ्रांस तब 4th पे आ गया था.
नहीं तो जर्मनी बॉटम.
हाँ.
अच्छा
नहीं, जर्मनी और फ्रांस पे दोनों का एक विन होता ना.
हाँ.
नहीं, बट हंगरी का देखो, हंगरी का 1 ड्रॉ था.
हंगरी तो पहुंच जाता, बट आई थिंक तब जर्मनी निकल जाता है.
तब जर्मनी जाता.
अगर फ्रांस हारता, है ना, आई थिंक फ्रांस एंड जर्मनी अगर दोनों हारता तो मे बी जर्मनी जाता. बट एनीवे, अभी
I think
हंगरी बेचारे.
I think at least one good thing that came out is कि अपन तीनों की टीम बच गई भाई. देखो सीधा बात है. सबने मिल बांट के लड्डू खाया है कि नहीं खाया है?
पता नहीं,
लेकिन अभी इंग्लैंड वाले डरे हुए.
का पता नहीं. मेरी स्क्रीन में तीनों ऊपर दिख रहे हैं ऐसे लाइन से. वो लग रहा है हाँ चलो सेफ है, तीनों पहुंच गए. अगले एपिसोड में बात करने के लिए है तीनों के पास
हाँ कुछ तो है, वरना मॉडरेटर बनाना पड़ता अगले एपिसोड में।
मैं और सोहम वैसे भी शायद बन जाए तब तक मॉडरेटर।
हाँ
हाँ
सेमी
क्योंकि
क्वार्टर फाइनल में।
राउंड ऑफ 16 के आगे तो आई टोल्ड यू ना इन सेकंड एपिसोड द जर्नी, तो हो सकता है काका जैसे बोला था सेकंड स्टेज में ही हो सकता है इंग्लैंड का घर वापसी, कप का तो नहीं होगा, हैरी केन का होगा,
हाँ टीम का हो जाए घर वापसी।
टीम का हो जाएगा। और साउथगेट को तो
सबसे खुश
मतलब
होगा,
छोड़ो यार, आई डोंट नो।
सबसे खुश तो रॉय कीन रहेगा।
हाँ रॉय कीन।
भाई उसको तो मसाला मिल जाएगा।
अब इंग्लैंड को देखो हारते हुए, फिर सीजन स्टार्ट होगा यूनाइटेड को देखो हारते हुए, मतलब लाइव
बताओ
ग्रेट।
कैसा लग रहा था हंगरी जब मार रही थी गोल, एक एक मारा फिर इक्वलाइज किया फिर दूसरा मार दिया, तब तो फिर एज
बहुत
द ग्रेट
जल्दी
रवि
जल्दी।
शास्त्री सेड मुंह में आ गए होंगे।
नहीं नहीं सही में यार, हंगरी जैसा कि मैंने पिछली बार भी बोला था, दे आर अ गुड टीम, सबको बहुत टफ कंपटीशन दिया, और लास्ट ईयर यूरोज में भी वो अपने पूल में टॉपर्स थे, तो मेरे को लग तो रहा था गेम काफी अच्छा होगा, लेकिन जब सेकंड गोल वो 67th मिनट पे जर्मनी ने इक्वलाइज किया और 69 मिनट में हंगरी ने गोल मारा, तो मेरे को लगा आई थिंक दिस इज स्लिपिंग फ्रॉम आवर हैंड्स, लेकिन लास्ट के 10-15 मिनट जर्मनी ने काफी अटैकिंग खेला, एंड गोरेत्स्का दैट गोल दैट सेव्ड अस, हु नोस, मे बी उस गोल की वजह से हम लोग सरवाइव कर गए और मे बी हम लोग यूरोज भी जीत जाएं।
But actually,
So-
we have to give credit to Hungary's goal and finishes also. Both the goals were perfectly headed. Like the first one, Sillai ne jo mara tha, like he's in the air, reminds something. I mean, it was not obviously as the Flying Dutchman's affair, jo Robin van Persie ka tha, but it was somewhere like he right wing se aa rahi hai and he's heading it in, especially going past Neuer twice. By the Hungarians, I think is a big achievement. Beautiful goals over there.
बट ये मानना पड़ेगा कि मैच जर्मनी में हो रहा था, इसलिए जर्मनी के पास एडवांटेज था। अगर अगर
हाँ,
अगर बुडापेस्ट में हो रहा होता, देयर वुड हैव बीन अ गुड चांस कि हंगरी माइट हैव बीन थ्रू। क्राउड
correct,
सपोर्ट से
correct.
हंगरी का
अलग ही
लक तो
टोस्ट
बहुत
करा था।
खराब है।
सही में. They were
हंगरी अगर
this
दूसरे कोई
close.
ग्रुप में
They were
होता,
this
हाँ,
close to going through.
एग्जैक्टली दे
Sounds
दे
like
played
ऑलमोस्ट
so well.
everyone's second favorite team is Hungary now.
Yeah,
No.
for the next tournament.
For next tournament maybe, but
They're
not
like
right now.
they're like the New Zealand of Euros.
अरे फिर न्यूजीलैंड पे आ गया।
नहीं. अभी दुखती नस पे मत दबाएं इंडियंस के.
नहीं
But on the other side, what a fantastic game by two ex-Real Madrid, I mean Real Madrid compatriots, two ex-Real Madrid compatriots, Benzema and Ronaldo facing off. There were plenty of questions in penalties, plenty of questions around the goal that was given and the penalty that was not given seemingly.
not given.
So like Abhipray, how did you feel, because this was a momentous occasion for Ronaldo also.
मैंने पहली बार मतलब आई एम फॉलोइंग रोनाल्डो सिंस लॉन्ग, मैं हमेशा सोचता था कि हाँ आज गोल मार ले, आज पेनल्टी नहीं, आज गोल मार ले, आउटफील्ड गोल मार ले, लेकिन कल ऐसा था मैंने सिर्फ आम खाए, मैंने गुटली नहीं गिनी। I was only worried कि हाँ ठीक है, he has reached that record and he has a good chance of breaking that record in an actual meaningful tournament and not a friendly which hardly any of us are awake to see the match. So we are on the cusp of history. We might see Ronaldo breaking that record live on live television.
Although Ronaldo's game overall was not at all at par with uska jo standard hai, right? I mean, if you see a lot of loose passes, lot of attempts at doing some skill or dribble, which just went through his legs. So he looked
अब
lost.
इतना कॉमन हो गया, वो मैंने देखना ही छोड़ दिया। अब पता नहीं चलता है।
Maybe, but I genuinely felt let down.
But that guy
Ronaldo
can still, but he was still jumping over Kimpembe. You saw that leap that he took, and he was suspended in the air for like 10 seconds.
Physically,
Felt like an
still a
eternity.
26-year-old. Exactly.
Perfect. I think one of the good factors from French perspective was Benzema getting onto the score sheet. It was a good gesture by Deschamps to give him the penalty duties, especially knowing when there is Griezmann there, Mbappe there, who have been doing it for their respective clubs, and Griezmann doing it even in country colors, right? तो मुझे तो सही लगा कि बेंजेमा को थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस मिल गया, but the goal that he scored after that, what a finish! The second one, what a finish! Right next to Rui Patricio's extended leg, ball goes, hits the post and inside. So I think he is now showing his accuracy. which is what we were missing in the games earlier, which even I was highlighting, right? Like we were creating 6-7 chances, but ending up with one goal or two goal. No, we've not seen 2 goals this time around, but this time finally I felt like yes, we had an opportunity to at least come back after being 2-1 down. Good performance. I think everybody, at least on this channel, are happy with all their teams qualifying at least to round of 16. ज़्यादा देर के लिए बोल नहीं सकते. I don't think Soham will have that same disappointed face because I think निकलने के बाद शायद ज़्यादा खुश हो जाएगा.
नहीं बट भाई
हमें अब headache नहीं है यार.
हंगरी का परफॉर्मेंस देखने के बाद we are having a bit of confidence कि कुछ भी हो सकता है. Germany, they are playing awesome, but they are not like the original Germans. Like, you know, we have very bad memories with Germany. Like that.
And the big thing is that they have Timo Werner, man. So that gives us hope.
Yeah, that gives us hope.
But that depends on which
So-
Germany team will turn up on the day.
We'll discuss the prospects of every team competing each other in round of 16. Watch our next segment to get more information.
इस बार का clickbait होगा biggest episode ever. वो होगा एकदम ऊपर ऊपर.
Alright guys, this is it from this episode. I am sure आप लोग अच्छा लगा होगा. नहीं लगा होगा तो प्लीज यार आप लोग लाइक नहीं करते हो, प्लीज लाइक करो.
शेयर करो. सोहम तो अंदर चला गया, बट मेरी फ्रांस की टीम में बेंजिमा ने सुन लिया है, लेकिन हमें और भी गोल चाहिए अभी जीतने के लिए, तो प्लीज शेयर करो.
और अगर दिलों में बेताबियां लेकर चल रहे हो तो हमारे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें.
और कमेंट करना ना भूलें क्योंकि राउंड ऑफ 16 आ रहा है.
देखिए 2 घंटों की बात सुनने के बाद एटलीस्ट आप एक घंटी बजाना तो बनता है. So please click on the bell icon and stay tuned for our next video.
All right,
To the
guys,
five
signing off.
subs, signing off.